In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can contact Facebook for help. So the first thing you need to do once you're on the home page of Facebook is tap the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Then you'll be on the settings menu page. Then you just want to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the help and support section. It's not going to look like that. It's going to look like this. Tap on the drop down menu and now you have a couple of help and support options. You can report a problem there. You can go to your support inbox and you can go to the help center. If you just want to report a general problem, tap on report a problem. You can even do the shake to report thing. So if you have a problem, you can shake your phone at that specific point where you had the problem and it will submit the report. But I'll tap on report a problem and then you just tap on report problem. It's going to open up a whole bunch of options. So if you had a problem with, let's say, a live, you can briefly explain what happened and then you can even add images or screenshots and then you can submit that to the Google support. So the next one is the help center. If you tap on this, this is more for general browsing of support, frequently asked questions and answers. So if you type in delete and then I type delete Facebook account, it says how do I temporarily delete all these different questions and you can browse through the answers. Most likely if you have a problem, it will be answered within the help center. So just make use of the search bar and then search for your problem and see if you can come up with the solution that way. And the support inbox here is more for your reports about others and your violations. So that's not about getting help. So those are the options that you have available on Facebook to be able to get help. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.